Hello, I'm Adele, legal assistant at Dsouza Strachan Law Group. Here's our bankruptcy attorney, Dsouza. And today, I'm going to ask you more questions about his life.
Okay, go for it, Adelia. I am here to answer your questions.
Okay, awesome. There's a many area of law where you could have practice: criminal law, real estate law, immigration law. Why are you so passionate about bankruptcy law?
So, bankruptcy law is very close to my heart. I have been in financial trouble like many people in our country. And when I was in trouble, I wanted to know how to get rid of my debts. And I visited many attorneys, actually 5 of them who are still practicing with me in the same courtroom as I practice right now. And believe it or not, none of them helped me. And the reason they did not help me was because I did not have the money to pay for the legal fees. And that is the time I decided that if I ever became a lawyer, I would help everybody, whether they can afford to pay me or they cannot afford to pay me. That's why bankruptcy law is so close to my heart.
I understand.
Yes.
That's a nice story. Do you recall any interesting story being as a law student?
Yes. As a law student, I was probably the most quietest student in the class. I never asked a question and I never answered a question. Most of the teachers didn't even know that I existed because I used to make sure I sat behind somebody and never looked straight at the professor. Except for that one time when the dean was teaching us a tax class and she actually turned herself and asked me a question. He says, "Mr. Dsouza, I know you are there and I know that you have an opinion. What do you think about this?" And I answered the question to her and she was very happy and she said, "See, you can talk. You should talk more." That's what she told me.
That is amazing. What is your secret to success?
One of the main things that I think I have been so successful in everything I do is because I have a positive attitude and I'm very disciplined. If you have a positive attitude and you are disciplined, there is no way you cannot succeed. I also know one thing, that as long as you are trying, there is no way you can ever fail. That is my secret to success: a positive attitude and discipline, consistency, and I am persistent. I never give up.
Wow, that's awesome. Thank you so much, Elias. It was nice to meet you today again.
Oh yeah, it's a pleasure to meet with you, Adelia, and I'm so glad you're around here.
Thank you so much. I really enjoyed our conversation. Thank you. And I'll see you next time.
Thank you.